Hello and welcome guys. In this video I'm going to show you how you save gradients on Figma. Okay, so first of all that's gonna be about help you in everything that you want actually to save the Figma gradient. So that is actually about to help you through that. First of all, what you're gonna do is about actually to see over here in every single that is really satisfied with Figma, that is already about that. So first of all, what you're gonna do is about for this video. So we actually about is ready to be satisfied on that. So first of all, what you're gonna do is about to start to click here on the, okay, you have here this object, and then as you can see, you scroll down here right corner, so you will find gradients. Okay, so as you can see as well, you will start to try gradients, and which is going to be on the plugins, but actually doesn't seems at all to find it. So never mind, you can actually see the gradients that you would like to add. So according to that, you can actually start to go to one of them, stroke or maybe something like that. So as you can see, maybe I just, if it's fill as a color, you can actually start to see this squares, and then you can see over here is gradient. You can actually add this gradient over here, which is really making this kind of color have a certain percentage or a certain percentage of these colors over here. You can then do that, and then you can save those three things above that. Also, if you wanted to save it immediately, you can actually save it in form of okay, you can save this as export, but actually this will not actually help you to enable to when you open that export thing to see this through the Figma. So I suggest you to click here on file and then click on save local copy or save to a version history. So this is gonna help you about to save it to as a file, which is really through the download thing, and abc123. I have just saved this name FIG, and then you will find it on your download section on your PC, and that's all about help you through this video to I could help you to save it, and good luck.